Stress and anxiety have been shown to cause all kinds of autoimmune flares. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory dietary choices can lessen conditions that involve inflammation. Celery reduces inflammation. Celery has approximately 25 inflammatory compounds that can offer protection against inflammation in the body. Green apples are rich in a bioflavonoid called quercetin, which is a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory. Bell peppers are high in antioxidants and low in starch. Sweet bell peppers contain the chemical compounds capsaicin, which is known to help reduce inflammation and potentially even pain. The antioxidants in lemons are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory, which means it's reduced swelling. You might get relief from pain and swelling either by taking ginger by mouth or by using a ginger compress or patch on your skin. Radishes have been used as a folk remedy for centuries. They are used in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine to treat many conditions such as fever, sore throat, bile disorders, and inflammation. Autoimmune disease cannot be cured, but their symptoms may be managed. This drink helps reduce inflammation, pain, or other symptoms caused by autoimmune diseases. I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.